Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. In fact, the last one of this month, and these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo, I have the Queen of Wands, Strength card, Nine of Swords in reverse, Four of Pentacles in reverse, Hierophant, center of my spread, Leo, with the King of Wands in reverse. So I have an equal pair here, Queen of Wands to the King of Wands, but the King of Wands is in reverse. Okay, all right, Five of Cups, Death card in reverse, and the Magician. Bottom of my deck, I have the Nine of Wands. Somebody wants another shot. They don't want to give up. Okay, they want to try one more time, but I do feel, the commitment is on somebody's mind now. They want to open up, but I have a Queen of Wands here who's, I think, in their power. This person is attractive, beautiful. I'm going to get into the reading later, Leo. I'm going to go card by card and clarify them all. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Here. Okay, so let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification, okay? So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Leo and their person, thank you. Let's take a few more, Leo, from here. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. And a couple more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Okay, good to go. The first card I have here today says, when you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? You are the most beautiful person in the world, at least in my world. You are my whole world, my universe, my all. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you are the best thing that happened to me. I didn't have the courage to tell you. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. I need some time to collect my thoughts. All right, Leo, these were some of the messages between the two of you. If these were resonating, let's start with your reading. Of course, as always, we'll start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. So my angels, what do you have for my Leo gang? Blessing, guidance. You're a leader. Somebody seems to have come into their power here, Leo. This could be you, this could be the other person, I don't know. But normally if I take a blessing card, my intention is for the zodiac I'm reading for, right? So somebody either is now ready to take the lead in a connection, or they should, or they want to, right? From what I did see, somebody does want to try one more time. They want to try one more time to heal this connection, probably after maybe their partner has already walked away. So what's happening here? Let's see. Queen of Wands. What's this Queen of Wands spirit for Leo? Queen of Wands, say something to us since you are sitting here beautiful in the upright. Okay, so the Queen of Wands says, well, I've made a decision. I've made a choice. I'm moving forward in my own life because this person probably turned out to be a player. Whatever communication I had with them, I figured out that this person is not serious. They are just flaky. They are in and out of my life. They're not being that King of Wands in the upright, which I saw here, right? They're not taking responsibility for this connection. So I've made a decision now to hold back. Why is that? Strength card. Queen of Wands, why are you holding back? Are you holding back from this connection? Because Queen of Wands feels betrayed. They feel this is best left alone. This is ended. I don't want to restart the story again because they don't trust their partner anymore. And in fact, to an extent where this Queen of Wands has become very, very confident of themselves. They are beautiful. They are attracting maybe a lot of attention. They're doing very well in their own life. This is a leader. I mean, Queen of Wands upright is a leader. They are not shy to, call the shots when they need to, and I don't see them even stressing about this connection anymore, to be honest. Maybe in the past they were waiting for some time, but I think they've come to that place where they're thinking, well, this person is not worth losing my sleep for anymore. I'm not waiting around. I'm not stressing on them. I don't sit up at nights waiting for them to call me anymore, and I'm done with the situation. Yeah, this Queen of Wands feels that this King of Wands, he is back again. Okay, this King of Wands is back again. This Queen feels this King did not make a choice, maybe, or they felt that this was just a very wishy-washy connection. It never brought this Queen of Wands the complete happiness that one expects when you meet a true match, like a King of Wands to the Queen of Wands, right? But the sun is in reverse between them, and there is maybe been a lack of making a decision, maybe by this King of Wands in the past, and that's the reason this Queen of Wands is saying, hey, listen, it's over for me. I'm releasing you. For Four of Cups in reverse, Four of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Okay, so now this King of Wands is not happy with that. This King of Wands is not happy with that. Now they are going back and forth in their mind, wondering how to make this Queen of Wands open up once again. In fact, not just open up, they want to rebuild. They want to rebuild. They want to come forward with an apology or a romantic message or a love offer once again. Hey, I know I did something wrong. They know it's their fault, first of all. This King of Wands is acknowledging, yes, it's because of me that this tower fell, but you know what? Don't hold back from me. Can you open up once again to me? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. This time I'm ready with commitment. I want the long haul with you. Hierophant. What's this Hierophant, Spirit? Yeah, somebody is feeling that they were unable, or they are unable to manifest this connection back, and they're feeling all their wishes have died down. I mean, they are very, very, very unhappy, whoever this King of Wands is. They are still manifesting though, because I see the Magician twice on their end. But feeling totally stuck because they feel that their person is no longer stressed on them, no longer giving to the connection as they did in the past. They are realizing that they've lost a very, very, very important connection, and they are manifesting this connection back from what I feel. They are praying and wishing, not feeling happy that they have been dropped now. So, King of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Why are they feeling this way? Yes, now they are feeling a lot of regret. Leo, this person, this King of Wands, is feeling very demotivated right now. Maybe they're recognizing that they were probably very selfish and very self-centered in the past, or maybe they feel this Queen of Wands is looking at them like that, and they feel a lot of remorse. They feel guilty. They feel it was like a wasted time, effort, energy, wasted opportunity. And I have this card twice, one after the other. This is the amount of sadness being felt by this King of Wands now. They're feeling quite guilty. They're feeling quite remorseful when they look back at the past to see the opportunity that was wasted. So 5 of Cups, Spirit. 5 of Cups. One more. I think this person was probably trying to see what else was out there. Maybe they were trying to check out their options in the past, but nothing really came to fruition here. They felt nothing was as beautiful and balanced as their connection with this Queen of Wands, and now they feel they've lost. This person is feeling very demotivated at the moment, but still wishing and hoping that this connection doesn't end completely. Death card in reverse. I don't want this to end. I don't want this to end. I'm going to continue to manifest something. Now let's see what that is. So Death card in reverse, Spirit. Yes, now they want to show up. Now they want to show up correct. Now the King of Wands says, hey, listen, I've grown up. I've become the King of Pentacles. I'm ready to offer you commitment now. Listen, let's not end this connection, please. I've become a big boy now, big girl, big boy, whatever. I've grown up. I'm willing to show up as the kind of person that you wanted me to be in the past, which I wasn't. But now, this is on my mind, long term. So, Magician, Spirit. Magician. Yes, this person is manifesting a stable, brand new beginning. So what's this nine of Wands, Spirit, which was the overall energy of our reading? 9 of Wands. Yeah, somebody wants one more chance. They want to start afresh. And they're no longer confused. Well, this is, I want to start again. Can we have a fresh, brand new beginning? And if I was in two minds earlier and I didn't take action, well, I've made up my mind now. But the problem here again will be that this Queen of Wands has already shut the chapter. Okay, so the ball is going to be in this Queen of Wands' hands now, whether they want a renewal or not. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.